Hi, I'm Teacher Grace from Learning Journey Education Center. From June onwards, we'll be launching a series of essay writing examination preparation classes to help you be equipped with the relevant techniques and content to ace your essay writing exams. For June onwards, we'll be exploring the essay topic on education. Education is a commonly tested exam composition topic for many secondary and IP schools. So what will we be covering during these classes? For each of the lessons, we'll be giving a series of content lectures, as this will equip students with good content for essay writing. Secondly, we'll also be covering our Learning Journey Super Writers essay writing techniques, and you can actually use these techniques to craft excellent introductions and paragraphs for your essays. Next, we'll also cover in-depth class discussions whereby students will get to brainstorm on good points that they could raise possibly in their essays, as well as a list of commonly tested exam questions will be given to all our students who are attending the classes. Next, we are also going to do essay planning drills where students get to try out essay questions that are commonly tested during the end of year exam. Lastly, there will also be essay writing practice, and students can expect to receive our teachers' individualized feedback for your students.